Good morning, everybody. I want to present to you Motionwerk, the globally leading company in blockchain and mobility, and the first product, Share&Charge. We roughly have 1 billion cars globally, being responsible for a fourth of energy-related CO2 emissions. And here in the lower end, I tried to draw the percentage of e-car owners in Germany, and probably it's even too much because it's significantly below 1%. And we obviously need to change that. The question, by the way, how many of you own an e-car? It's probably on the average, German average, I would say. One of the major reasons, or one of the reasons why e-mobility is not kicking off is we have a significant lack of charging infrastructure. In Germany, for example, we have 6,500 publicly available charging points, which leads to a statistic distance between each charging point of 100 kilometers. And that's for sure too much. On the other hand, we see that already, although it's a small market, there is significant charging infrastructure with private households in cities, in suburbs, with small shops, with craftsmen, and this charging infrastructure is just not publicly available. If we made these charging poles publicly available, we could reduce the statistical distance between each charging point dramatically to 10 kilometers. And we would take away the anxiety or the range anxiety and therewith make e-mobility more fun and boost e-mobility. And that's the driver and the passion and the reason why we built Share&Charge. Share&Charge is the first Airbnb for electric charging poles. We went live last week, and it's a pure marketplace. It's, you can register if you've got a charging pole at home. You can register it, you can set your tariff, and then other people come, charge at your charging point, and the payment and the invoicing is done on our marketplace. It is done on blockchain. We are globally the first making mobility assets accessible to end customers on a blockchain basis. And these end customers do not need to have a clue about blockchain. So we see quite a few blockchain tech startups out there, but to make it usable from a regulatory perspective, from a customer experience perspective, for Erna Müller somewhere in the Schwarzwald and working on blockchain, that was the biggest challenge we were facing over the last month, and therefore we are quite proud that we are now live since last week. We use blockchain, this decentralized technology, because we see the huge potential regarding standardization, efficiency, interoperability, especially for a market like mobility and also energy, which is also becoming more and more decentralized. And I'm not talking only about charging, so Share&Charge. I'm talking about peer-to-peer car sharing, share and drive. I'm talking about parking sharing, share and park, and various other use cases. Coming back to charging, I showed at the beginning, we all know it's still a small market. We just heard in the morning, a few minutes ago, about Norway. We see an exponential growth now, coming from a small basis. And we as Share&Charge are very well positioned. We have a software as a service business model, mainly. And we are really looking forward to a clean, green e-mobility future. We are currently scaling our product. We are scaling Share&Charge into other countries in Europe and the US. We are scaling into other use cases. We are currently building the first peer-to-peer car sharing on our platform. And our platform is an open, decentralized blockchain platform, which we currently build together with various partners from the mobility and energy sector. I warmly invite you to shape this future with us by either working with us, becoming mobility partner, or by investing money. Thank you very much.